done and get back in a hurry.
You're hunting for Morkite seeds contained within an elusive Morkite geode. Pinpoint it by locating several resonance crystals and mounting scanners on them. Use your hot-mounted rangefinders to do so. We will send in the scanners once you find the crystals. Make it happen, miners.
I found the resonance crystals! Send a scanner down to me! Taste the pickaxe! Scanner's here! Let's hook it up to the crystal!
That's one scanner, more to go. Step on it, miners. We got work to do.
Reloaded! BAM! Send me one of them scanners! Need to establish a connection to the resonance crystal.
Good. Just one scanner more, miners.
Weapon ready! Platform! Born ready!
One sentry gun ready to be built.
The pod needs to be connected to a resonance crystal to perform.
Combat positions. The swarm is here.
Flares recharging.
Hang in there. The wave is almost dealt with. Dispatch whatever's left.
Molly!
Sweet!
This is a friggin' hell. Resupply ordered!
Supply pod requisitioned. Launching now.
Activating drill elevator! Get on board! Stick around! Bug Trap 2.0.
One sentry gun ready to be built. Ready to shoot. Getting more ammo. Ammo taken.
Elevator activated. Guns at the ready. You will have company soon.
Bring the pain!
Reloading.
One moment. The drill has encountered compacted shale. We should be moving again shortly.
I'm on maintenance duty. Don't get too attached now. We gotta locate and destroy the brute nexus, or we will have glyph that spawns on our tail forever.
Reloading.
Sure would be nice to have machinery that is not constantly falling apart.
Eat it! Reloading.
Claw tracks maintained. Here, have some extinction. Fixing the claw tracks.
Just a moment longer, miners.
I called for the mule.
Wow! If only I could, I would decorate my cabin like this!
I made a platform. Platform up!
Weapon ready!
Platforms placed.
Eat it!
Platform! Deep Rock seriously need to invest in some better equipment. Sentry gun, assembly.
Born ready.
Drop pod departing in T-minus 4 minutes.
Go, go, go! Drop pod isn't waiting forever!
Drop pod departing in T-minus 3 minutes. The mule is secured. Initiating launch sequence. Deep Rock Galactic thanks you for your good work. Drop pod will leave with or without you.